Is the bear market over? Is the bear market ending for Bitcoin? In this video, I have a bunch of things, a bunch of signs, a bunch of indicators that we see when Bitcoin is breaking that bear market, the things that we see at every single bear market bottom, and it's happening right now. It's literally happening right now. So if you guys love Bitcoin, give this video a thumbs up. And one important thing I'm going to share with you guys right now. So the last bear market for Bitcoin, and this is quite interesting. Bitcoin had this angled resistance you could see on the weekly time frame, and every time Bitcoin would come up to this level, it would pivot down and make a significant move down, and it would just reject over and over again. Eventually, the selling pressure got less, and you can see the price begins to consolidate and trade sideways. That's typically what you will see when Bitcoin begins to reverse from this bear market or downtrend. And once Bitcoin breaks out of these trend lines, it will typically enter into its bull market, or the bear market will be over. You can see here, Bitcoin's in a serious downtrend, broke out of it, pumped up significantly. You can see here, Bitcoin is in a downtrend, bear market, whatever you want to call it, broke out of it. Then we had a big pump there. You can see here, just the same story over and over again. Once it breaks out of it, then there's a bull market. And Bitcoin is doing that same exact thing over and over again. But what's quite interesting is that right now, Bitcoin is doing that same exact thing. Right now, look, if we zoom into the price of Bitcoin, it's breaking out of it. It's consolidating. This is what you see before the next reversal, before the next big move up. And you can see Bitcoin has been in this region now. Bitcoin's been consolidating in this region for 170 days. That's something typically you will see when Bitcoin is being accumulated by whales. And we can see that Bitcoin has just entered deep oversold territory for the first time since 2023 cycle bottom. So Bitcoin is showing bottom signs, oversold signs, signs that you would want to enter when you see them. Look at this. This is quite funny. Is the last bear market bottom, the World Cup happened, and Bitcoin had bottomed at that time. Also this, we've had two red Bitcoin 6-month candles, and it's now flipped green. The last two times we've had two consecutive red candles, Bitcoin entered into its bull market, and it's happening right now. Another very important thing to see is that there are many high time frame signals that are hinting that the Bitcoin has bottomed or is very close to it. I think it's possible that Bitcoin is bottomed or that Bitcoin is close to it, but according to the 4-year cycle, Bitcoin should bottom and have another leg down by the fourth quarter. So if we look at this here, this is the Bitcoin relative to short-term long holder realized profit to loss to exchanges. This is the exact same thing that we saw at the last bear market in 2022, and it's happening right now. It's happening right now. This is capitulation. This is what this means. It means people are selling for a loss. They're giving up. And when people give up and they sell things for a loss, that's when the bottoms happen. If you ever notice, whenever you've had like a coin or any type of investment you sell, and then it soon pumps up the hardest that you've ever seen it pump up, this is exactly how they drive people in the market. They drive people to sell, to give up, and then they buy for cheap, and then they send it up higher, and they force you to buy higher. This happens at every single bear market bottom. We could see that this is the exact type of signaling that we see at every single bear market bottom, and it's happening right now. We are in the time to buy, in my opinion. This is the time to buy the dip. This is the time to dollar cost average into crypto. That time is right now. Let me know if you guys agree with that. Do you guys think we're going to be in a bear market much longer? Do you think we're bottoming? Are we bottom? What's happening? Now, if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on. You're not going to want to miss my next video.